Let's see LT982 functions today. LT982 have front-side full functions USB-C port, only need one Type-C cable to realize collaboration with your devices. Easily to transfer video and audio, and you can easily control your devices by touching. This function will definitely make your collaborative process become more effective. Just scan QR code, you can perfectly realize multiple screen synchronization from different devices, such as laptop or mobile phone, make your teaching and meeting process become more effective. Support more than 4 screen synchronization. You can see, right now we have synchronized screens from 4 different devices, realize collaboration easily. Every contents from your classroom or conference can be easily saved and taken away by scanning QR code. Just few steps and would never worry about records work. That's how easy and amazing it can be. Look at that, contents have been saved in your phone now. With high compatibility, you can use various softwares in Android and Windows, meet your different need. Such as Windows Whiteboard and Google Map, make your classroom and conference interesting. Contact us now to get more details. We are Riotouch, professional interactive display manufacturer.